it so you can see better?
Yeah, no, don't pass. It's better. Don't pass. Don't pass, master. I think. Bigyan shout out. May nasusunog. It's sunny day today in Belfast. Ay, in Northern Ireland pala. In Northern Ireland, may galap shout out. Ayan, o diba? Dito tayo sa motorway. Motorway. 70 per hour. Huh? 70 miles per hour. See? M5. Wala sa M5 na tayo. Ito ang kaganapan sa Belfast, sa Northern Ireland. Ayan. White Abbey and Carrickburg City. The weather is lovely today. Lovely, lovely weather. Lovely, lovely weather. Cannot see that one. I cannot see here. Look. Dali ko. You can video there. Dali ko. So dark. See. That is up here. Yeah, like that. Dali ko. Thank you. Look at that one there, guys. Nasusunog. See, nasusunog for Aspire. Make nice, darling ko.
I can.
Push, darling, push. Nonsense daw. Nonsense. Mega love share out. Until 3 minutes. They say, you make video for 3 minutes only. 3 minutes and then off. Up, around the boat. Ganito ang ano ng around the boat, lalabs, yeah. Take your time.
Yeah, mom, take your time.
Yeah, take your time. If you get opportunity, go ahead. Share out. Ngayon dito makulimlim kasi natakpan ng clouds si Sun. Tong sahur. Tong sahur. All in your car. Sunny day here, lalabs. Lovely sunny day. Lovely sunny day.